Welcome back. Financial planning can be a super rewarding career. Today we're going to talk to two young financial planners who candidly talk about why they do what they love.
Why would I get into it? So I started out in an accounting degree, worked in accountancy for 3 years, and it is night and day. I mean, it's completely opposite. I'm doing a lot of the similar work, because there's a lot of tax strategies involved, but I mean, the fact that this profession is not front and center of a graduate's mind, to me, still seems pretty surprising.
I guess from an accounting side, and this is painting a lot of accountants with the same brush, is that you're just churning out sort of tax returns.
Yeah,
whereas
if you're working in tax, or
if you're working in tax, for example.
Yeah.
Whereas with financial planning, it is so broad,
yes.
and the things that people come up with, the concerns or issues they come up with, it is always challenging you. There's always something new. It's not just, like you said before, it's not just a cookie cutter approach to everyone. It is, you're constantly thinking outside the box.
Yeah. Can you make a good living out of this industry? Absolutely. When you're starting out, like all entry-level jobs, you're looking at 50, 60K, give or take, right? Pretty quickly, you do some professional year, you increase your technical knowledge, you get some specific qualifications in financial advice. I would say, since I started in this field 4 years ago, I've seen guys go from 50K and they're going to make 300K this year. So is that standard? I'd say that's probably quite ambitious.
It's probably somewhere on average. It's somewhere in the middle. If you're an employee,
yes,
you can earn at a good investment company. You can probably earn around about the 150, 135, 150 plus bonus.
Yep, and it does depend on how good you are. So if you're going to be a financial advisor, a large part of that is client walks in, do they trust you? Yes, no. Yes means you've done your job and you get a new client. Well, not your full job, but you've done that part of the job. If you then get a few clients and you're successful in doing that, let's call them a book of clients, then you can really start to increase your salary.
I think there's quite a big difference between being employed by a company and self-employed.
Massive.
Now, we're both self-employed, and realistically, the sky's the limit as far as what you can earn. But you do have to start at the bottom with nothing.
Yeah.
Like we both started with zero, and we've built up our businesses over time.
Yeah.
And I think the beauty of a lot of financial planning businesses is that you do build up an annuity income from your client base who pay you an annual fee. And it's that annuity income that can really make a big difference to your lifestyle.
So some basic numbers, say if you had a company of 100 people, each paying you $5,000 a year, it's 500 grand. If you're working for a company, you may get something like a salary of say 120 plus 30% of that 500K, right? But if it's your own company, you get your 500K, you pay your rent, you pay your staff, the rest is yours.
Oh, I love running my own business because you can actually do what you want to do and how you want to do it. You can have your own marketing plan. You can have, you can actually work your own hours as well, which helps. You can take your own holidays. But if you're being serious about it, you can really write your own marketing plan and determine where you want your business to go. A lot of people have their business going, X, Y, Z plan. But if you want to go the other way, you can do it. It's quite flexible.
Like our businesses are quite opposite.
Completely opposite.
And it's just, if it's something to do with a dollar sign and you're giving advice to people, you can charge a fee for it if they see value in it.
Yeah.
So whether that is insurance and protection and superannuation, there's investments, there's cash flow, but you could specialize in anything. You could specialize in getting leases through your car and how to make that. You can really, anything to do with a dollar sign. And if people are willing to pay money for it, you can charge for it.
Yeah.
So that's what I like.
Well, I hope that was helpful, and I hope you agree that financial planning could be a great career for you. If you want more information, follow us on Facebook or follow Grad Mentor Student on LinkedIn.